have fun with it. All right, let's get this done. So this surface is about 2 by 4 foot. Not about, it's 2 foot by 4 foot because I ordered it that way. So I've already used just over a pint of material. So I'd say it's probably to do one coat on a surface of this size is be half a quart or 2 pints. 100% coverage. Again, we're not worried about perfection on this layer because it's going to get a lot more over top of it. It's going to be a beautiful old distress. That's not necessarily true because it's going to have some interest as metallic. A long way to go with this guy. So I'm just cleaning up some of my trowel marks. A little something in there. Okay. Takes a little more time than those small samples I used to use.